Today we're working on a Chevy Cruze. This happens to be a 2012 model, and what we're doing today is we are removing the multifunction switches. That would be the directional switch and the wiper switch. We want to remove this top cover, column cover. Next we want to turn our steering wheel to the right here and access these 7mm bolts on the side that hold the bottom cover on. Rotate the steering wheel to the other side. We have an identical 7mm screw over there. And then down here on the bottom, there is another 7mm headed screw. There it is. There's the bottom cover. This is where the bottom screw is located. Now to access our switches, we got these little clips on the side. We push in towards the center of the stock. That one clicked and released, and then that one right there. Now once we get our switch out in this position, we can remove the electrical connection in the back. Just like that. Now to remove the other switch, it's the same identical procedure with the clips and the wires. So that's all there is to removing a multifunction switch from your Chevy Cruze.